If you're thinking about selling digital planners on Etsy, I want to take a look at some with you that are making over $5,000 a month. There are some planners that just don't do that well, and there are some that do amazing. We're going to take a look at them, but first, I think there's two things you really need to consider when getting ready to sell a digital product on Etsy. And one is that there are some products that are going to do well every single month. Customers are always going to want those specific products, and then there are some that only do well certain times of the year. For example, a teacher's lesson planner, that's going to do well probably right before school starts when the teachers are starting to prepare their lessons, get everything organized. You're going to see a surge of sales on Etsy during specific times of the year with those. So let's take a look at some digital planners that are more likely to do well all year round. So I have downloaded an extension called FREEBIES. It is amazing if you do want to sell on Etsy or you're looking at really trying to understand digital products. FREEBIES is amazing. They do have a free extension, or you can pay for a few different levels of it. So we are going to take a look at the product analytics of this specific planner. It is a mega ADHD planner with 250 pages. It says digital and printable. It looks like the colors on the actual planner are just black and white, which makes it really good to be able to print it. You don't want a lot of colors because not everyone has all the colorful ink. So we're going to look over here. We have estimated monthly sales. We have estimated revenue. And you can see how old the listing age is as well. So estimated revenue, $6,686. So that is pretty good for this one. And usually in a month, or this past month, they got over 300 sales. Let's take a look at this one. Future ADHD Growth Mindset Digital Planner. It looks like it has some colors in there. I love that they give you a video to look at. And this is for GoodNotes. I have seen quite a few bestsellers that do like using the GoodNotes. I like this. It looks very simple. The colors are subdued, kind of muted. Let's look at the product analytics for this one. $14,693. It has had over 600 sales. That is awesome. I do know that the ADHD planners are doing really well lately. Okay, this one is another ADHD planner, really muted colors. So we have black, white, some really muted pink in there. I do love those colors. It is printable as well, so that is good to know. These are printable pages. They have a lot of different things in there: a cleaning study, medical planner, financial planner, all the different things. So let's look at the analytics for this one. This one made over $10,000 in the past month with 284 sales. If you want to scroll down on the right over here too, they have the keywords that they have used in their description or their tags for this product. All right, so the next one is the Everything Digital Planner. It's also used in GoodNotes. You can use it on your iPad. I like the wording. I like the font style of this. Very simple, pretty. I like how it looks so far. They even have like the nice tabs in there. So let's look at the analytics for this one. $9,000, 741 sales over a month's time. So that's really good. So you'll kind of see like a trend. The just regular planners, like an all-in-one planner, ADHD planner, those do really well. Specific planners, I'm finding like a cleaning planner, a household planner, they don't do quite as well as these all-in-one planners do. All right, here's another one. You can see at the top, it's in 20 carts. Digital planner on GoodNotes, very, very colorful. It's also nice to kind of analyze how these look compared to each other. I love that they have the video right here. I am tempted to buy this just because this looks like fun. They have like a bunch of digital stickers that you can have in there. I mean, it looks very cutesy and colorful. And let's see how this one is doing. $11,000, estimated about over 400 sales in the past month. And then you can also see their total sales. So they have had over 21,000 total sales, which is great. All right, this one is from the same person, and it is the stickers that you can buy for the planner. So I love that they have the planner, and then they probably have some add-ons that you can also purchase too. So this one, so just these digital stickers made $6,635 in the past month, which is crazy. And it does say 400 digital stickers. So, I mean, that is something that they created once and then they can just sell it on repeat. Passive income for them, way to go. All right, so this is a digital reading journal in GoodNotes, reading tracker, reading log, a book review, a bookshelf, you can color it. And this one, $17,000 for a month and over 700 sales. Awesome. It says 600 books, 300 series, 1,300 pages, 40 templates. And then you can see some of the keywords they're using here. So I would really start comparing all of these planners to each other and see what they have in common, see what they don't have. If there is somewhere where you can be different from them, like you know that there is one section of these planners, if you added it to yours, it would just be so amazing. I would definitely try to be thinking of that. Here's another one, a 2023-2024 iPad GoodNotes planner. So this one says it has 7 themes, stickers, a daily planner, wellness, nutrition, finance, fitness, all the things. So it does look like it's very comprehensive and it pretty much has everything you could ever want. Let's see their estimated monthly revenue, over 17,000. So that's pretty good. If you can take the time to really get everything into one, it may do better than ones that are just separate individual planners. And this one has over 1,000 monthly sales. Now, something that we can do, I want to show you, we're going to look at this specific shop. So we're going to go into their name, and then we're going to use our Everbee, and we're just going to go to product analytics, and it's going to show you all the products they have in their shop. And what I'm going to do is come over to this monthly revenue, and I'm going to change it so that it goes from highest to lowest, so you can see what's really working well for them. The premium digital planner, the OneNote digital planner. And then if you want to like keep scrolling, you can see daily affirmation cards. They made 167 in the past month off of that. And then some of these down here just don't do well. And you can kind of analyze that in different shops and see which ones just don't do very well. All right, here's another one, the Ultimate Modern Planner. So it looks really, really simple, which is nice for those of us whose brains are always scattered. I love it, nice and simple. This is also for GoodNotes. Let's take a look at their analytics. $17,000, over 600 sales a month, so that's pretty good. This one, the Custom Digital Planner, also in GoodNotes, $26,000 and over 1,000 monthly sales. That is crazy. Total sales, 16,000. The listing age is only 16 months old. I would really take a look at what their keywords are down here so that you can search for those and compare. So this is from the same company. It is just a little different. They also have YouTube tutorials, which is really nice. And then this one for them has made $36,000 in the past month with 1,400 sales. So I would really start trying to figure out why people love this one so much. I would start reading the reviews. The design is practical. The instructions are so clear. The hyperlinks, they have hyperlinks in there, are amazing. Cute, detailed, intuitive. So I would really start looking at all the comments and seeing what people loved about this specific planner. This one right here, the Ultimate Monthly Budget. So Google Sheets, budget template, budget spreadsheets, financial planner. This one has 13,000 in revenue and over 600 sales for the past month. So it's good. And then from the same company, They have the ultimate paycheck budget spreadsheet, and this one has done 7,000. So then you can also look at their shop and see what for them is doing really well and what isn't, so you can get an idea of maybe something to make and then something not to make. So for them, the two that we just looked at, an annual budget spreadsheet is doing pretty well. A monthly budget spreadsheet does pretty well. And then like a sinking funds, I probably wouldn't waste too much time on that. And a net worth, not a lot of profit there. So I hope this helps you. Have a blessed day, and I will see you back here soon.